everyone! For this Paint With Me session, I actually asked my sister Nadine to help me with some orders. She did the outline and the underpaint for me. My sister actually enjoys art. She loves drawing and painting, and she's very crafty as well. And often she asks me to teach her. The other painting I'm working on is actually Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. I will be posting a full video this week, but for now, here's a short teaser. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss it once I put this video up. If you've watched my previous Paint With Me sessions, you probably would have seen me doing the underpaint for this wedding painting. For this session, I wanted to work on the details of the face and then a little bit of the background as well. Because the faces of this painting are very small, I had to make sure to use a small brush and be very precise with the details. Now for the background of this painting, I decided to put some stairs behind them. Originally there's no stairs behind them, but I wanted to try putting stairs. I also wanted to fix the background, put some gradient blending light stuff on it just to make it more interesting to look at. I might change the stairs, I might just make it a flat floor later on, but for now this is what we have. This wedding painting I also did in my previous Paint With Me session. Today I worked on the background and decided to just put 2 white pillars. For the edges, I just decided to use pure black paint because the paint that I have actually dries very matte, so it gives a really nice effect once it's dry. Also, look at this cute stuffed bee that we're making. It'll be up on TikTok soon. Lastly, here we have my fully wrapped and ready to pick up painting. This is the 36 by 48 inch painting that you saw on my YouTube channel. It'll be picked up this Thursday. Anyways, that is it for today's Paint With Me session. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.